The Latitude 5290 seeks to be a Surface Pro for business professionals. Equipped with an 8th Gen Intel SoC, NVMe SSD, and a bright and vivid touchscreen display, can this $1,932 convertible make a compelling case for its value as a business asset? As we continue our romp through the most recent batch of Dell chipset refreshes, our next candidate is arguably the closest thing to a business-grade Microsoft Surface Pro that currently exists. Upon first glance, the two devices are nearly identical in a lot of ways, right down to the fundamental kickstand design and keyboard type cover. The 3:2 aspect ratio is also a common trait, as is the slotted edge-based vent design. However, under the hood, a lot of things are different. On the other hand, last year's Latitude 5285 is practically the same device as the 5292 in one. The latter simply introduces an 8th generation Intel SoC and some, very, minor revisions elsewhere. In our previous review nearly a year ago, we praised the Dell's solid performance, bright display, quiet operation, and ease of maintenance. Meanwhile, we also lamented its proclivity for extremely hot operation, a lack of Thunderbolt connectivity, relatively heavy weight, disappointing warranty, and high price. At first glance, at least a few of these items haven't changed since the last review, but our focus today will be on what has improved, and whether or not those improvements can justify the cost of the Latitude in comparison with other business competitors, and even the Surface Pro itself. Today's review unit features a quad-core Intel Core i5-8350U, 8GB LPDDR3 RAM, a 256GB Toshiba NVMe SSD, and a 1920 by 1283 to 2 aspect ratio touch display. It also includes the keyboard type cover and the Dell Active Pin, all for around $1,932 as of this writing direct from Dell. Does the Latitude 5292 in one do enough to keep up with its peers? As before with the Latitude 5285, the Latitude 5290's build quality is top-notch. Construction consists of magnesium alloy material, which is more common among Dell's 7000 series Latitude notebooks than with the normally primarily plastic 5000 series. The result is an extremely rigid device which resists torsion about as well as the Surface Pro, which is also built out of magnesium, and which seems poised to tackle the everyday rigors of business and travel. The basic aesthetic, matte black, with the exception of the reflective screen finish and bezels, also jives well with the environment of its target market. Much more can be read about the design of the kickstand and keyboard cover in our previous review of the Latitude 5285. The same MILSDD 810G tests apply to the 5290, and its dimensions have not changed since our review of the 5285. The device weighs in at 1.278 kilograms and is 15 millimeters thick with the keyboard type cover attached, and 9.75 millimeters thick in tablet form only. The overall size is also nearly identical to that of the Surface Pro 2017, measuring just 1.25 millimeters thicker and 9 millimeters wider, almost undetectable in daily use. The latest Surface Pro is lighter, however, by some 200 grams. The same MILSDD 810G tests apply to the 5290, and its dimensions have not changed since our review of the 5285. The device weighs in at 1.278 kilograms and is 15 millimeters thick with the keyboard type cover attached, and 9.75 millimeters thick in tablet form only. The overall size is also nearly identical to that of the Surface Pro 2017, measuring just 1.25 millimeters thicker and 9 millimeters wider, almost undetectable in daily use. The latest Surface Pro is lighter, however, by some 200 grams. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.